Our Troy drywall lift is made from all-welded steel construction, tool-free assembly, and teardown, single-stage winch with brake, and can be used by one person. It has an 11-foot maximum reach for horizontal ceilings and a 15-foot maximum reach for walls, determined by the 11-foot max lift and half the length of drywall. It can hold a 4x16-foot single sheet capacity, with a 150 pounds load rating, has 5-inch casters, and weighs 110 pounds. MaxTool also backs up this lift with a 2-year warranty for parts or factory defects. Drywall sheets can weigh up to 105 pounds, making installation a 2-man, or even 3-man, job. With a Troy drywall lift, you can install full sheets of drywall in a fraction of the time, and you can do it all on your own. The Troy drywall lift is easy to set up, simple to operate, and is built from commercial-grade steel. It is rugged enough to be used on a professional job site and easy enough for a do-it-yourself job in your own home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Backstop with rubberized feet. Prevents any movement of the drywall lift while drywall is loaded and in position for hanging on a wall. Once your lift is in place, simply flip the backstop down and your lift and sheet of drywall are secure. Number 2. DPH11 support hooks. Support hooks secure the drywall on the lift and prevents it from sliding off during placement. Number 3. Support hooks. Secures the drywall on the lift and prevents it from sliding off during placement. Also helps pivot the drywall sheet into place so it is flush against the wall and adds support to prevent the edges of drywall sheets from getting crushed and broken. Number 4. Telescoping arms. Extend and allow you to hoist even monster 16-foot sheets of drywall. Sheets this size can weigh up to 105 pounds and would require a few people to install without a drywall lift. Number 5. Specifications. Max reach for horizontal ceilings, 11 feet, 15 feet with optional extension, sold separately. Number 6. Max single sheet capacity, up to 4 foot by 16 foot. Number 7. Max reach for walls, 15 feet, determined by the 11-foot max lift and half the length of a standard drywall sheet. Number 8. Max load rating, 150 pound capacity. Number 9. Easy rolling heavy-duty 5-inch casters. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.